JavaScript is a high-level, interpreted programming language that runs in a web browser. It was created by Brendan Eich in 1995 and has since become one of the most popular programming languages in the world. JavaScript is primarily used for creating interactive and dynamic websites. It is often used to add functionality to HTML and CSS code, such as form validation, animations, and interactivity. JavaScript is a multi-paradigm language, meaning it supports multiple programming styles, including procedural, object-oriented, and functional programming. This flexibility makes it a powerful tool for developers. JavaScript has a wide range of built-in features, including support for manipulating the document object model, DOM, working with APIs, and handling events. It also has a rich ecosystem of libraries and frameworks, which can make development faster and easier. JavaScript is constantly evolving, with new features and improvements being added regularly.